Our manufacturing operation is precise, fast, efficient, and quality driven. All components are made in-house to better serve our customers. With our flexible, powerful online configurator, customers design their equipment to their exact specifications. The results can be simple or include many variations. Once finalized, your product is created. We machine our parts and temper our glass on site. All of this leads to a quick turnaround of your custom-made Flav-R-Shield Sneeze Guard. We design, machine, and finish all our hardware and posts along with the cutting, drilling, and tempering of our glass. All is done in-house under one roof. We created the most powerful online configurator in the industry to help customers build the perfect sneeze guard system for their operation. The configurator contains 360-degree views of each model family, unique adjustability features, product dimensions, a quotation generator, additional images, tutorial videos, and specification sheets. We precision bend our posts to create the corners of our equipment, which makes them stronger. No welding, no mitered corners, a clean, sleek look without seams or other places for residue to build up. Our accurate tooling and fitting ensure the highest quality. Glass can be tricky with production lead times, breakage, and replacement. All our hardware and posts along with the cutting, drilling, and tempering of our glass. All is done in-house under one roof. We use robotic systems and CNC machining to create very complex pieces while maintaining the shortest lead time in the industry. Hatco is dedicated to environmentally friendly manufacturing and business processes that reduce ill effects on surroundings. We succeed in building sustainable, long-lasting, quality products. We're especially proud of our closed-loop water processing plant, which allows us to always have clean water for our complete glass production line and leave no environmental footprint. Configure your sneeze guard today.